Shaka, man of the match, your response to that selection?
Yeah, it was definitely a tough game. It was really a dogfight. We started slowly, but I mean, we started to get into the game defensively. We put in the hard tackles and we kind of turned the game around. We were able to get in a goal by Griffith. And from then on, it was just a straight dogfight to the end. And the team held it together defensively.
How do you think your season is progressing and the performance of the team so far? This is match 4 and now the team is in first place.
Yeah, personally I think I've been getting better defensively, and yeah, we've been kind of transferring what we did on the in the training field to the games. But I think we just need to really focus more on getting a faster start. I mean, we started a bit slow today, and we want to try to improve that for the next game.
And how do you see the rest of the season? The ambition, the objective for the club this season is top 4. That is now the club is in first place. Yeah, now it is going to be a battle to keep that first place.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're on first place right now, and everyone's going to be coming with their best game to try to knock us off first place. So we just have to keep grinding out the games and improving in practice and transferring it to the game.
Congratulations, Shaka.
Yeah, thanks.
Jesse Rez, centre back, first clean sheet for the season, and a big win to send FC Santa Rosa to the top of the table, the first time in its history. Give me your reaction to that.
Well, it was great. We fight to the last. It was really hard today, but we wanted it more.
Wassa is a difficult team coming into the match in 3rd place. Santa Rosa was in 2nd, and you used to play for Wassa. Karen Clark used to play for Wassa, and a couple other players as well. So there was a little edge to the match.
Yeah, really, it was had an edge because everybody had grudges on the field and think nobody wasn't taking no tackle. They wanted to fight, but it was hard and we fought well.
An opinion on the refereeing?
Well, the worst referee see in a long while we fight. We had a clear chance penalty. He didn't give it to us, but nevertheless, we still come again and we work hard for it.
Okay, congratulations.
Yeah.